Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to reset your password. First, we're going to go to mystfx.ca/ithelp. Then I'm going to navigate down here under popular requests to My Password. In order to recover your password, you're going to have to click the second option right here. It's going to be Recover Your Password. Now I'm going to enter in my StFX email, the entire email, including @stfx.ca. I'm now also going to enter in this code right here. Now, if this code is too confusing for you to see, you can also click this reload or reset button to choose something that is easier for you to see. Then I'm going to click Next. The next thing that shows up is this option here to please choose the contact method we should use for your verification. Now, when you set up your StFX email, you were required to enter in a verification. So I have entered in an alternate email address. Now, this is my alternate Gmail address. So this is correct, and I'm going to click Email. Now a verification code has been sent to my alternate Gmail address. I'm going to go into that inbox and grab that verification code. So here it is right here. And this is my verification code. I'm going to grab that. Whoops. Go back to my recovery area and paste that in there. Then I'm going to click Next. Next, I will enter in a new password for my account. And click Next. And you can see here that my password has been reset. Now you will have to log in with this new password on your email and also to connect again to Wi-Fi. So just be aware of that. Thank you for watching this video.